You probably think you're spending about $50 a month on subscriptions, music, streaming, maybe a couple of apps. But when you actually total it up, it's usually closer to $300. Studies show most people underestimate by over $130 every month. That's $1,500 a year, quietly disappearing. Companies have trained us to rent everything. Our software, music, movies, even the heated seats in our cars. But you can break that pattern. Stick around and I'll show you a simple 3-hour audit that ends the rent your life trap once and for all. Subscription culture turned ownership into access. We don't buy music, we stream it. We don't purchase software, we subscribe monthly. We even subscribe to razors and coffee pods. It feels painless. $10 here, $12 there, until the total quietly becomes a car payment. The trick is that autopay hides the decision. Once you click subscribe, the money just flows. For companies, that's gold. Steady revenue, endless data, and investors who can count on you forgetting. Even one forgotten $15 subscription costs $180 a year. Multiply that by 5, and you're letting almost $1,000 slip away. Let's fix that. Step 1. Find every charge. Pull your last 3 months of statements from every account and card. Look for repeating charges hitting the same day each month. Drop them in a spreadsheet and color code. Green for essentials, yellow for useful, red for questionable. You'll probably find a few surprises. Old trials, duplicate apps, or upgrades you never use. Step 2. Sort by category. Essentials are non-negotiable. Housing, insurance, phone. Useful means you benefit regularly, at least once a week. Waste is everything else. Don't overthink it. You're not cutting yet. You're just building awareness. Step 3. Test the value. Ask this. If I had to pay for the full year up front, would I still keep it? Visualize dropping $240 at once instead of $20 monthly. The mental shift reveals what's actually worth it. Step 4. Cancel or downgrade. Anything that fails that test, cancel it. Go to your bank's merchant list or the app's account page and remove authorization. Don't wait. Companies rely on you forgetting. For what you keep, find cheaper tiers or annual discounts. 10 to 20% savings feels like an instant raise. Step 5. Redirect the savings. This is where you win. Don't let that money disappear into new spending. Automate a transfer of the exact amount you freed straight into savings or investments. One viewer found 3 overlapping cloud services and saved $120 per month. Now that same amount builds their emergency fund automatically. It's the same psychology that trapped them, only reversed. Ending the rent your life trap isn't just about cutting bills. It's about changing how you think. Ownership means control. Buy once or share smartly. For software, look for lifetime licenses. For streaming, rotate plans. Subscribe for 1 month, watch what you want, then pause. Share family plans legitimately instead of duplicating costs. Each canceled payment is like a raise. To stay free, schedule a 15-minute mini audit every quarter. Subscriptions grow back quietly. Catch them early. The less of your life you rent, the more of it you own. Every dollar you redirect compounds. Subscription culture thrives when you're distracted. It weakens the link between spending and choice. Stay alert, review quarterly. Ask, would I buy this outright? That's your financial reset button. Start today. Pull your statements, run the 3-hour audit, and watch how quickly you regain control. If this helped you, hit subscribe for weekly, practical steps to grow what you keep, not what you rent. Remember, the less you rent your life, the more you actually live it. Now go give yourself that raise you've been paying everyone else.